Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Ibiza. Now, in this video, we're going to install a carbon fibre enclosed airbox and kind of cold air feed onto my Ibiza 1.9 TDI. Now, unfortunately today I'm filming on my mobile phone because when I went to use my GoPro today for this video, the battery was completely flat for no reason and it's really pissing me off. So I'll probably buy a brand new battery for that. So today I'm using my phone. It should still be fine. Right, so here's the kit. I'll show you the filter in a second. So this cost me about £25 posted, so it's good value for money. So in the kit you get the filter, which I'll show you in a second. Actually, you know what, I'll take out the one actually. Right, so yeah, this is the filter. Now it is an enclosed airbox, so you don't get any like heat soak or any of them kind of common problems you get. And with this kind of airbox, you can remove the filter from inside and clean it. So as you can see very well on camera, but the filter is inside there, and it's the red mesh kind of filter, so it's a good filter and it provides good filtration properties. Now obviously in the kit you get your like extendable bit of pipe for obviously your cold air feed, so you can put it wherever you please. You get clamps, some sort of bracket, another bracket, and you get these two here. Now these are actually reducers. They go from 3-inch, which is that size there, to 2.5-inch, but we don't need these today because my whole intake system is all kind of 3-inch. So I'm going to be using these. I found them in my shed, so we're actually going to be using these today. So I think now that I've showed you what we have, let's go and install it. Now I don't know about you guys, but I mean, also people might say, well, why are you doing this to, you know, a diesel or whatever? Because I know it doesn't matter what you do to a car nowadays, people will always say, oh, you should have done this, you should have done that. Like, I'm installing this for more practicality's sake because my airbox, it's just a pain in the arse. I have to like remove it all the time. Because I have a strut brace, it's quite difficult to remove, especially when I'm doing work like in the area where the airbox is. So that's the reason I'm installing this kind of setup. So, with that being said, let's crack on. Right, so I think the first thing we're going to do is obviously remove the airbox. Now, like I said, the reason I'm actually putting this setup here is because also got the strut brace here. So trying to get this removed, because recently I've been doing quite a bit of work in this area, so like it's really annoying trying to remove that strut brace there. So that's the reason I'm installing this kind of carbon fibre enclosed airbox. I'm hoping we've got plenty of room to put it here, and then maybe put the pipe along here and to there. So that's the plan. That is the plan for where the kind of pipes can go for the cold air feed. So I think the first thing we'll do is remove this. So let's crack on. Right, can you see what I mean? This is a fucking joke. This is why I'm putting on that setup, because like trying to get this out of there is impossible. So I'm going to put it on the camera and I'll bring it back once I've got this stupid thing out. Right, with the airbox removed, the next thing you want to do is remove the MAF sensor. Now, it's held on by 2 screws, which is one there and one just in there. So let's remove that, and once we've done that, we'll put it probably back into there. Fuck my life, man. Right, so this is where we're currently at. Now, I actually had to like change this bit here because that one didn't fit very well. I need to get a bigger Jubilee clip thing for this side, but it's still secure for now. I mean, there's no way it's coming off there because it's so tight. The next thing is I need to figure out how I'm going to get the cold air feed to go down there and to here. So I've got an idea, so I'm going to set up the camera and we'll crack on. Right, that's it done. Now, I've actually done something else off camera, which has actually made this whole kind of setup a lot better. It looks cool as hell, and I reckon it's going to work really well. So let's get some cinematics and I'll show you how good this actually is. So, this actually fitted better than I thought. So what I did was, I removed this standard kind of like cold air feed bit here, and there's also that bit there. So it's quite small, it's quite restrictive as well. So with that removed, it actually opened up a big massive kind of ducting in there. So now the cold air feed is going straight to where the cold air goes straight in. So there's like going to be lots and lots and lots of cold air going straight into there. So this should work really effective. So as you can see here, the pipework goes along there, into there, and obviously into the intake. So, like, it is tight down here, but there's like no kinked pipes. That's what I like about this pipe. There's like really flexible, so there's plenty of room for like this pipe to be there. It's not bent at all. This stuff's really flexible, so it's actually fitted really well. So yeah, I'm actually really happy with how this fits. I mean, for value for money, it's really good. And what I'll do is I'll link this in the description below, so if you want this, you can get it yourself. So yeah, like I said, you're not going to get any big power from this, or any gains really. I mean, it's more for looks, and maybe just the kind of setup's more practical. You know, what do you expect really? I mean, so I think this video's been a bit of a success really. Now, like I said, you're not going to gain any big power, or to be honest, right, you're not going to gain anything from this mod. It just looks good, and it's more practical. So that's about it really. Everything's fine, all secure, really happy with it, looks great, it's cost effective, and like I said, I'm not sure if I mentioned at the start of the video, but you actually can separate the filter from the box and clean it, so it's really handy, and it's quite practical really. So anyway, if you did enjoy this video and you found it helpful or entertaining or anything at all, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.